Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today fan we are going to talk about guys, how can we disable do not disturb mode setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to disable guys your phone do not disturb mode settings. So how can you disable it? Today I will show you in this video guys. And guys, you want to remove guys this moon icon on your screen guys you have in your device guys. This moon icon on your screen, and guys you don't know how to remove this icon. So how can we remove today? I will also tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Then click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting, guys tap here. Then guys scroll it and you can see this do not disturb mode setting, guys tap here. And you want to disable guys, you can disable from the right side icon guys. After disable guys, your moon icon will remove on your screen, and friends your phone will ring or vibrate without any problem in your device. So like that guy, we can disable guys do not disturb mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.